Lala English News. Today's news is killed by drone. At a factory in Jeonju, North Jeolla Province, an employee of the Environmental Corporation was killed by a 60-kilogram drone while measuring air quality from a 50-meter chimney. He was in his 40s, and an employee of a drone company was flying the drone, and the wings hit the chimney. Not long ago, POSCO ENC took responsibility for the death of a person, and the CEO stepped down, taking full responsibility, and the company stopped their business. Netizens argue that, in this drone case, the Minister of Environment and the President should step down, stop the drone works, and the Environmental Ministry's work should be stopped. Lala English News. This is Stephanie.